Brandon doing what he always does. No matter what plane we're on, he reads the card, you know, and you know what? Safety first, good for him.
I probably couldn't even tell you what this card says. It's just a ritual of mine.
Hey y'all, we are in Guadalajara, second biggest city in Mexico. Here we go. Getting some lemonade from the street in Guadalajara.
Hello, hello.
Good morning. We are about to go drink tequila in Tequila. So it's our van. We're about to hop in here. Big group tour. Tequila drinking starts at 11:30. It's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
See you there. All right, we've arrived. We're on our Tequila Road tour.
Yes, I'm excited to see the Agave behind us, and we're just going to take a little tour in here that is called Los Mujeres, or Tres Mujeres distillery. So we're excited to do that, and here we go.
Here we go. We just got our little tequila sip cup. Oh, this is where they cook the tequila in here. 48 hours, right? Oh! Brandon's feeling it. He's feeling it. Dancing. You know, these Mexicans are loving it, okay? They are loving it. Okay, get it. There it is. More tacos. We've been eating tacos all day long.
I ate my tacos already. They're gone.
They're gone.
He's got tacos on his plate. I don't.
It's up to me now. And we are now off to our third destination. So this is going to be tequila place number 3, and it's like 3 o'clock. So what timing?
Hey, hey, hey! We are in Tequila, Mexico. About to have some shots of tequila and tequila.
It's meta.
Here's our shot of tequila and tequila.
Tequila and tequila, baby.
Salud.
Salud.
I didn't take the whole shot.
Sorry.
That's humidor. It's not artisanal.
Oh, it's so cute.
Brandon likes it. It is cute though. What I want to know is, what are these guys doing up here at the top of this pole? You can see here there's
called Voladores de Papantla.
Voladores de So we're on Tequila Road, which means at the end, you're going to get to tequila. And along the way, you're going to be tequila. Oh. It may not be floppy, but it's a hat. Brandon is getting Cabeza tacos right now. These are the head of the cow, literally the head, stewed cow head. He's doing this. Listen, when in Mexico/Rome, okay? So, what do you have to say about the Cabeza tacos?
It looks very interesting. It's literally like a whole bunch of fattening pieces with a couple pieces of meat. So we'll see what it's like.
We're in tequila, baby. Wow. Well, it's a lot. It's a lot.
It's a lot of taco.
Yeah. Is it good? I know.
It's like beef stew. You know how you have a cube steak with beef stew, but then you have those fattening pieces?
Yeah.
It's like all fattening pieces.
So, not on your list of meats you'll order in the future, it sounds like.
No.
All right. Well, you know what? We've now tried animal head.
It's alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up.